Welcome to TUI Grow Guides. Today, let's take a look at how to grow successful citrus. Trees laden with juicy fruit are a quintessentially Kiwi addition to many home gardens. Choose a variety of citrus that suits your garden, taste and cooking preferences. Whether it be lemon, mandarin, orange, lime or grapefruit, there's a world of fruit to suit you. If you're after a hearty lemon, go for Maya or Yen Ben. Eureka is your go-to for a juicy acidic lemon. If you're after a seedless mandarin, choose Miho or Satsuma. For a sweet orange, look to Valencia or Harwood's Late. And if marmalade's your thing, keep an eye out for Seville. If you're looking at limes, choose from Seedless, Juicy Bears, Hardy Tahitian or Kaffir for its leaves and cooking. Citrus are frost tender and do best sheltered from the wind and in a consistently sunny spot. Before planting, clear the area and remove any weeds or grass so they're not competing with the tree for nutrients. If you're planting in the garden, dig a hole about twice the depth and width of the root ball of your plant. Add TUI sheet pellets and citrus fruit mix, which contains the necessary nutrients for flower and fruit development, to the hole. Before planting, soak your tree in a bucket of organic seaweed plant tonic to help prevent transplant shock. Gently take the plant from its current container and loosen the root ball before placing in the hole. If planting in a pot or container, half fill with citrus and fruit mix, then place the tree in the pot before filling it up with mix 3 cm from the top. Citrus plants thrive when fed as they need higher levels of potassium and magnesium. Use enriched fruit, citrus, tree and shrub controlled release fertilizer for citrus in pots. TUI mulch and feed will protect your tree from extreme temperatures, keep roots moist and suppress weeds. Remember to water your tree well, especially over summer. And that's citrus! Discover more citrus tips at tuiproducts.co.nz and keep an eye out for our next Grow Guide.